Good morning, Jay.
Morning, Ella. You look bright today.
Thank you. Keep your voice soft. The door is half open.
Right! Our secret stays safe.
I like this quiet time before people come.
Me too. Coffee for you, 1 sugar.
You remember everything.
I remember you.
Jay, we said no sweet lines at work.
I know. I will save them for after 6.
Our rule is simple. We work like teammates. We love in private.
And no messages on the big screen.
Yesterday you almost airplayed a heart.
I almost died.
I laughed, but my hands shook.
We can do this. Stay calm, be kind, and focus on tasks.
At lunch, sit with the design team. I will sit with support.
Copy that. After work, same cafe.
Yes, the small table by the window.
I will book it at 5:50.
One more thing. People say we smile too much at each other.
I will practice my neutral face.
Not too neutral, I like your smile.
Then I will smile at everyone.
Good solution.
Time to start the day.
Good luck, teammate.
Good luck, teammate.
Jay, the elevator is full. Take the next one.
I will wait. You go first.
Text me if the meeting moves.
I cannot. Phones are often strategy.
Right. I will watch the calendar.
By the way, Mia asked me if we are close.
What did you say?
I said, we work on the same product, that is all.
That is true, but her eyes are sharp.
I will keep answers short.
At lunch, please do not bring me cake again.
But it was your favorite.
The team saw the little heart on the box.
I forgot about the heart.
It was sweet, but risky.
From now on, I bring cake for the whole table.
Smart.
Look, doors open. You go.
Wait, your tie is crooked.
Do not fix it here. Camera above us.
You are right. I will fix it in my mind.
Meet me on chat at 3 for the sprint board.
I will comment as normal.
Our secret mission continues.
Stay cool, movie star.
You are the real star. Ella, can we talk here for 5 minutes?
Yes. The hallway is quiet now.
Mia posted a team photo. Our hands are almost touching in the glass reflection.
Oh no. People notice small things online.
Comments say, cute symmetry. Nothing direct, but my heart jumped.
My heart jumped too. Maybe we should tell HR soon.
I want to, but I worry about the project move.
If we disclose, they may put us on different squads.
I do not want to lose our daily teamwork.
Me neither, but honesty is safe.
Also, our boss values trust.
Let us list choices. 1. Keep hiding and be perfect actors.
Hard and stressful.
2. Tell HR ourselves before rumors grow.
Safer for us and for the team.
3. Break up.
Not an option for me.
Not an option for me either.
Then we choose 2.
We go to HR tomorrow morning.
We explain that we keep work clean and we accept any changes.
Yes, and tonight we rest.
Thank you for being brave.
Thank you for standing with me. Jay, Mia just spoke to me at the printer.
What did she say?
She asked, "Are you and Jay together?"
Direct.
I said, We are good teammates. She smiled like she knew more.
I saw her look at your bracelet, the one I gave you.
I hid it under my sleeve, but maybe she saw it last week at the cafe.
Rumors may start today.
Then our plan for HR is even more important.
I agree.
My hands are shaking again.
Breathe with me. In for 4, out for 4.
Better.
Whatever happens, we stay kind.
If someone asks again, we can say, we'll share with HR first.
Clear and calm.
Do you regret this, love?
Not for 1 second.
Me neither.
Then we walk together to HR at 9 tomorrow.
And tonight we write a short note with facts. Start date, no reporting line, clean boundaries.
I will draft it. You can review.
Deal.
We will be okay.
We will.
L, the HR room is bright and calm.
I feel better already.
We gave them our note and dates.
They asked about power lines and review cycles.
We said we do not manage each other.
They thanked us for being open.
They will move me to the Orange Squad for 3 months.
And I stay on blue.
We can still eat lunch together outside the office.
But no secret messages on work chat.
Agreed.
No gifts on desks.
Agreed again.
We sign the policy and keep our work strong.
Our boss just wrote, "Proud of your honesty."
I am relieved.
Me too.
Mia just messaged me a smile and a thumbs up.
She knew but waited for us to speak.
Good friend.
New chapter starts now.
New chapter. Same heart. How is Orange Squad?
Busy, but good. I learn a lot.
Blue Squad misses your jokes.
I miss your coffee orders.
We can meet at the public cafe downstairs.
Yes, open air, open hearts.
People know now, and life is simple.
No hiding, no acting.
Mia said. Love looks kind on you two.
That made me smile all day.
After work, the window table is free again.
I booked it at 6.
I will be there at 6:05.
I will wait with 2 cups and a quiet grin.
You can keep the grin.
I will.
Thank you for choosing honesty with me.
Thank you for choosing me, even with rules.
Rules can protect love.
And love can make rules gentle.
Ready for the easy life?
With you, yes.
Then let's walk out together.
Together.